This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later before you begin the process. Open Settings to confirm your software version and install updates if needed. Next, enable the emoji keyboard under General, Keyboard, and Keyboards. If emoji is not listed, add it now so stickers display. Finally, open Messages and create a Memoji profile so the stickers become available in the keyboard. Each step ensures your device shows the Memoji tab in the emoji keyboard. Open Messages and start a new message thread to begin creating your Memoji. Tap the Memoji button next to the text field to open the creator interface. Customize facial features, hairstyle, eyes, and accessories using the menu options provided on screen. Adjust skin tone, freckles, and colors until the avatar matches your preference and personality. When finished, tap Done to save the Memoji and automatically generate a sticker pack for the keyboard. That saved pack appears in your emoji keyboard as a Memoji tab. Open any app with text input where the keyboard appears to use your Memoji. Tap the globe or emoji icon to switch to the emoji keyboard and reveal the Memoji Stickers tab. Choose the Memoji Stickers tab, which displays your saved avatars and animated sticker options. Tap a sticker to insert it immediately into the message field, or press and drag a sticker into a conversation bubble if the app supports drag and drop. The same stickers work across messages and compatible apps that accept image or sticker input.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.